Hi, I'm Elvis Hillard, and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to be making an Italian-style macaroni and cheese. All right, so we got the cheese incorporated. It's melted. You know, we got it all over this pasta, and that cream really helped it out. The cream, like, thickened it up. Basically, the last step in this dish, other than just, like, final taste and seasoning and plating up, is making sure the peas are in here. See that cheese? It's good stuff. It's good stuff. You just got to keep on mixing it around. It's almost totally in with the sauce. Frozen peas, you can use fresh peas. It doesn't matter. Go to a farmer's market, you know, get a little green giant, you know. That's what I got for this today. And it's got like a little bit of butter into it. I did take out some of the excess butter. That was all that I could find because I knew I had like a lot of like heavy ingredients in this. So go ahead, take your peas. Take about like a cup and a half. You just dump that right in. It still brings out like that color too, you know. And like I said, when you're serving this, presentation is like such an awesome thing. And you can make anything look good, really. Not anything, but, you know, the majority of stuff. So you just want to keep on stirring this up. You can top it off with like some paprika, you know. We can figure it out. You just keep on stirring it. It's going to be good. It smells really, really good.